And if you can see, I have quite the array. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but we're gonna throw this here. It's a little minnow fish. It's got a little nose on it, and it's got a little bit more action, which may attract the fish a little bit more than just your regular swim bait. So we're gonna tie this on and give this a shot. And you know, you may get critiqued on how you tie a knot. You may get critiqued on how you fish in a lure or how you're working it. I just take all the advice I can get. I'm not afraid. Not too humble. But so I like to just make a loop and go around half a dozen times. Give yourself some room. Half a dozen times. Back through the loop. As they say, wet the line, pull tight, and I'll be honest with you guys, that's not going anywhere. So just find out what works for you, what doesn't. Fishing is all about trial and error. But don't get me wrong, we'll try a few things, and if they don't work, we go back to old reliable. You know, the sinker or the frog. I mean, I'd love to throw something like this. That's for salt water. And I don't do too much of that. I really like the freshwater fish. So we're going to try this right along the bank. Just a little something, something. And retrieve it a little bit. And just to get a feel of how it looks in the water. And she looks great. Now, if she could just attract some of the enemy. And there are pockets in here that are just really calm. And that hook is caught in the tail. I want to get that out of there. Always do your maintenance, guys. If it's not set up and rigged right, it's not going to swim right in the water. And you're really just wasting your time. But when you're fishing, you get nothing but time, right? Here we go. Here we go. Not a big one. Hey, this is a crappie. We got ourselves a crappie. Ladies and gentlemen. And a good, pretty good guy. Pretty good sized guy. I didn't know you were in here. But now we do. They got him right in the middle of the mouth. And such a small mouth. It's kind of hard to get it out of there. But we'll get the tools. And we'll get this out as safely as we can. Ah, he got me. All right, I got myself, but hey, we got one. Gimme. I mean, who hasn't been hooked, right? But good looking fish, guys. And that's what they call a crappie, or, you know, it depends what you want to call it. Smallmouth bass, crappie. But that's not a bad fish. That's, that's a good 7-8 inches. But I'll take it. Thanks, pal. Thanks for playing. So we didn't catch the bass we were looking for, but we certainly caught something. And now let me tend to my finger. We shall be back.